If you're dealing with hard water in your home, it may seem like you've entered a whole new world. Between system research and the completely new vocabulary, it's a lot to take in. To help ease the learning curve and make you a confident and informed shopper, get to know some water softener terminology you may come across in your search to find the perfect softener for your home and why they're important. Just starting your hard water research? Here is some key water softener terminology you'll need to know to help put the puzzle pieces into place. What is hard water? A high concentration of calcium and magnesium make water hard. When water flows through soil and rocks, the materials are mixed with the water. Depending on where you live, your water could be harder than most because your water is traveling through more soil than other areas. What is grains per gallon? Grains per gallon, also referred to as GPG, is the unit used to measure the hardness of water. This is measured by using 1 grain, 75 milligrams of calcium carbonate dissolved in a liter of water. As a reference, let's look at aspirin. Let's say there are 10 grains in 1 aspirin. When it's dissolved into a gallon of water, it's reported as 10 grains per gallon. Soft water is considered to have less than 1 GPG. Hard water is anything greater than 5 GPG. What is parts per million? Measuring water hardness in parts per million, ppm, is rare, but you will occasionally see it when shopping for a new softener. The conversion is 17.1 ppm for every GPG. If iron is found in water, it's measured in ppm or milligrams per liter. Iron can leave a red-colored stain on fixtures and appliances when it's as low as 0.3 ppm or mgl. It is very difficult to remove once the stain has been applied, but you can prevent this from happening with a water softener. What is capacity? Water softeners are measured by either grain capacity, gallons, or cubic feet. Before buying a system for your home, you should consider the number of people in your household and how much water you use. Our step-by-step wisdom tool will easily guide you toward determining which size is best for your home. Have you ever wondered how adding salt to your tank softens your water? These terms help break down the process. What is a resin tank? The resin tank is where the resin as incoming hard water passes through the ion exchange resin. These resin beads swap the calcium and magnesium in the water for the sodium or potassium they're holding. This swapping of ions softens the water, and it's the beads in the tank that make it happen. What is a brine tank? This component of a water softener is where you add the salt 6 to 8 times per year. This tank should be filled at least 50% of the way to ensure there's enough salt in the system to recharge the beads properly, so your water is soft. What is brine solution? When your system is regenerating, it pulls the salt you add to the brine tank to the water to make a brine solution. For system suggestions, visit softprowatersystems.com.